about inclusivity. And is that my intact? Yeah, right? Last na. Final na. Hi guys, I am Ara and Colourette has a new store here in SM North EDSA and we're very excited to meet you guys. So you should visit us here because you can be able to see those Colourette products up close. Thank you. See you guys. Nag-cut na ribbon! Kasi we were there before, since 2017, and it was super outdated. Colourette was still so small during that time, and 600 people lined up when we were opening that store. But yeah, I was super happy to move here and like new look. Congrats to my team for pulling this off. They did it super last minute.
Hey Colourette, we just opened our SM North EDSA kiosk and we're happy to be here actually and celebrate our milestones with you.
Ang dami ng laman, 1499. So guys, gusto ko lang i-introduce sa'yo yung bagong size ng color tints namin. Super full size. Will last you a lifetime.
Nagustuhan namin ang Colourette dahil sa shades niya. Maganda siya pang everyday.
Ako talaga, fan talaga ako ng Colourette kasi sobrang ganda rin talaga ng mga products and sobrang multi-use niya. Pwede mo gamitin sa lips, sa cheeks, and sa eyes. So, sobrang worth it nung mababayadan.
So guys, we have the Colourette. It's on Colourette official na newspaper and at the back, you can actually see yung mga products na we have right now and you can check